This here is the surrounding terrain here in New York State near Lake Champlain of the beautiful Prestwick House that I have restored. I put a lot of effort into this place. It's gorgeous. You can't even tell that I've done anything either. There's Milo. Anyhow, the next step is to remove this portico that you're looking at right there, and a beautiful front porch 2 stories high. We'll replace that, and then I will veneer it all with stone, and it should be really beautiful. Just getting a kind of a quick look around. It's been a pleasure working on this beautiful home. And the farm out back, they have 200 acres and they raise cattle. And they're priests as well. Anyhow, this is the Prestwick farm.